Is this the best budget keyboard in 2023? Or was it too late? This is the Bauer Lite. In June of 2020, Novel Keys changed the world of mechanical keyboards forever when it released the NK65 Entry Edition for a price of $95. At the time, a budget board at that price with such quality was unheard of. And its revolutionary injection molded polycarbonate case would heavily influence many other budget keyboards to come in the following years, like the KBD67 Lite, Portico 65, and the EK68 Aurora. The NK65 was a board that I really loved, but there was more to be desired in the typing experience and sound. So I ended up selling it, but the board has a special place in my heart, and I never got over that beautiful translucent purple. Initially introduced in November of 2020, the Bauer Lite finally released 3 years later. I honestly forgot about this project. It's been that long. But I had to get it. This was the purple keyboard that had been missing in my life. The unboxing experience was honestly great. I love the color of the case, but I did notice some markings on it. Just like the original Bauer, the Bauer Lite follows the same case design with this beautiful curve. Building the keyboard isn't too difficult as Omnitype includes a step-by-step guide. The kit does not include stabs, so you're going to have to provide your own. There are standoffs that go in between the PCB and the plate. And there's also foam that you can include as well. After everything is screwed, let's put in our switches. Next, put on the gaskets that go on the bottom case. There's also donut bumpers that go on the top case, and these honestly fall off every time you disassemble the keyboard. Afterwards, screw on the daughter board and put on these taco bumpers on the corners of the plate. Then connect the JST connector to the daughter board and assemble the case. Also, don't forget about the feet. And we finished the board by putting on the keycaps. I would've loved to gone GMK DMG here, but I'm broke, so I went with DCX Hyperfuse. For a price of $119.99, I was really impressed. Everything from the unboxing, design, and build all felt quality to me. But in the current keyboard market where you can get a quality aluminum keyboard around the same price, was this keyboard too late? At first glance, it might seem that way. But I believe that the time and steps that Omnitype took to ensure that this board was as perfect as it could be is the reason why the board felt as nice as it did. If the process was rushed, I don't think the board would have been this good. And at the end of the day, the beauty of the keyboard hobby is that everything is preference. Even though you can get an aluminum board at the same price, some people like me may want a cool translucent keyboard. I mean, look at that purple. It's so nice. Although I can't help stop thinking that it would have been nice to get a weight on the back. But maybe I'm asking for too much. Before I end the video with the sound test, I would appreciate it if you can like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, stay safe and take care.